Hello Primary 5, welcome to our session. Today we will talk about place value shuffle and composing decomposing numbers. Seven hundred 14 multiplied by 10. How to solve this problem? We put 0 and multiply the number 714 multiplied by 1. Your answer it would be 7140. Or when using place value chart, this is a place value chart. 4 is in the ones, 1 in the tens, 7 in hundred. You will see 4 changing from the ones place to the tens place. 1 in the tens place changed to 1 in a hundred. 7 in a hundred changed to 7 in a thousand. And this place is empty, and in the empty place we will put 0 in it. Now as you see, the whole number 714, the value of the whole number is increased when multiplying by 10 or by 100 or by 1000, and the value of each digit is increased from the previous value to the next value. The value of 7 here is in 100, change it into 7 in 1000, so its value increased from 700 to be 7000. 1 in the tens, change it into 1 in 100, so here 10 to be 100. 4 in the ones place increased to be 40 in the tens place. In general, when you multiply by 10 or by 100 or by 1000, whatever, the whole value of the number is increased, and already it's a value of each digit of the number is also increased. Now here we are multiplying by 100, the same steps. Put 2 zeros again and multiply number by 1, the same number. Here the number is 71,400. So the value of the whole number 714 is increased. Why increased? Because we are here multiplying. The value of 7, it changed from its place 7 in 100 to be 7 in ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So its value is 700 to 70,000. 1 in the tens place, so its value is 10 to be 1 in where ones, tens, 100, 1000, so its value is 1000. 4 here in the ones place, its value is 4 to be 4 in where ones, tens, 100, 4 in 100. Okay, but in the divided, the inverse happened. Multiplying is increased, dividing is decreased. As you see here, dividing by 10, so we will move back to the left 1 decimal place. We will change from here to be here. The point will sit here. 5 in the ones, change it to be 5 in the tenth after the decimal point. 1 in the tens, change it into 1 in the ones. 6 in 100, change it into 6 in tens. So the whole value of the number is decreased when dividing. The value of 6 before is 600. Now change it into 6 in the tens place. 60. Read the number. The value of 1 decreased from 10 to 1 in the ones. 60, 615, here 61. Value of 5 is also decreased. 5 in the ones place to be 0.5, a part of a whole. 615 divided by 100, so how many zeros here? 2 zeros. We will move back 2 places, so my point will sit here between 6 and 1. As you see here, the whole value of the number is decreased. Why decreased? Because we are here dividing, and value of each digit also decreased. The value of 6, previous 6 is here 600. Now your answer is only 6. The value of 1 decreased. 1 in the tens place is 10 to be 1 in the tenth, 0.1. 5 in the ones place to be 0.05. Okay, so in general, when multiplying increased, dividing decreased. Here 85 multiplied by 10. Multiplying, so increase each place to the next place, means 5 in the ones, change it into the next place, 5 in the tens. 8 in the tens, change it to the next place in 100, and this is once the place is empty, so we will put 0. The value of the whole number, here we are multiplying, increased or decreased? Yes, increased. The value of 5 here, increased or decreased? Increased. From where to where? 5 to be 50. The value of 8 is increased because we are multiplying, but where? From where to where? 8, 80, 80 to be 800. Here we are dividing. Dividing means decreased. Okay. 2 in the ones decreased to next place after the decimal point, 10th. So 2, it will be in 100th, 4 in the 10th point, here 9 to be in the books. When dividing by 10 or 100 or 1000, we will move back according to how many zeros I have. I have here 2 zeros, so I count back from the ones 2 decimal places back. 1, 2. My point will sit here between 9 and 4. So my answer, it will be 9.42. The value of the whole number is decreased. The value of 9, yes, decreased. From where? Here, read the number 942 to be 9, just 9. So, from 900 to be 9. The value of 4 here in the tens place, its value is 40 to be 0.4. The value of 4 is decreased from 40 to 0.4. Now, next topic, composing and decomposing decimals. Composing means put together, collect again the number. Decomposing means broken apart. We have many ways to compose or decompose the number. First, we will decompose this number, 843.572. First way is expanded. Expanded form means write again the number but with the value of its digit. First, whole part, decimal part. Whole part we have 800, write 800, just 800. 40, write 40. 3, write 3. Plus, here 5 in the 10th place, so it's a value with the point, 0.5. 7 in 100th, its value with the point, 0.07. 2 in 1,000, its value, it will be 0.002. This is decomposing with expanded. Another way, with the same number, you can break it into halves. Part whole, 843, and part decimal, 0.572. First way, when you decompose the number, you can use expanded form. Expanded means write each digit again with its value, or you can break it, the number, into two halves, part whole and part decimal. Third way, you can write the whole part again, 843, and break each digit in the decimal part with its value. So 843 plus 0.5 plus 0.07 plus 0.002, or inverse. We can write the decimal part and break the whole part and write its digit with its value, as you see here. I write again the decimal part, 0.572 again, and break each digit in the whole part with its value, 840 plus 3 plus 0.572. So when you ask you to decompose a number, choose any way you want and decompose the number. Decompose 504.82. First way, we can decompose this number by using expanded form. And expanded means write again each digit with its value. 5 in 100, so we will write 500. 0 in the 10th place, ignore it. 4 in the 1st place, we will write just 4. Now turn to the decimal part, we have a point 0.8, and we will write 2 in 100, 0.02. Or second way, we break the whole number into two halves, part decimal and part whole. 504 plus 0.82. Third way, we can keep the whole part as the same and break the decimal part and write each digit with its value. 504 the same, and break the decimal part into its value with the digit. 8 in the 10th place, so its value 0.8. 2 in 100th place, so its value 0.02. Fourth way, We can keep the decimal part as the same. Here 0.2, we will write again 0.82 and break each digit in the whole part and write it with its value. 500, I write 500. 0, we will ignore it because its value is also 0. 4 in the ones, we will write 4. Okay? I hope you understand our lesson today and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.